Welcome back to Learning Ga 101 with Nii Ayi, aka Ganyobi. I know you guys have been enjoying the previous lessons that I've been taking you guys through. First of all, let me say this. Keji okenkle beneno ubabiye me fala bokembale ken plamaneno ingbeji Nii Ayi Ganyobi ni ebi ene inchon ga in vlog or ga fi video ga mi ni inchon ga fi oni ile ni nyon insumake machon me especially many humans many nu ga many ga yemo fi ama kono na metao amekase ewo no ejino ni yo but akeni want to reach out to large audience ewo macha keke ya bluffon wo ba chon guy ya bluffon. So what I'm saying is that because I want to reach out to large audience and people who don't understand the Ga and would like to learn the Ga, I need to speak English so that we can cut across borders for a lot of people to understand what I'm about to teach. So thank you for your understanding. I know you guys have been really enjoying. I love the feedback. I love the comment from the previous lesson I've been doing so far. And someone was complaining that the video is too short. Yes, I know it's too short, but as time goes on, we prolong the video to like 8 minutes or 10 minutes. I'm doing it short. Not everyone can consume a lot of things at the same time. I'm just making it short so that it will be easier for you to learn the language. So we've learned about greetings, we've learned about the periods of the day, and today we are still going to continue with the greetings part 2. So now we won't be using Ojeko, Oshue, and Minaoko. But now, when it comes to greeting, how do you greet a group of people? If you are passing by and you see a lot of people, how do you greet them? First of all, let's see how we greet just an individual. To greet someone and ask the person, how are you doing? This is how we say it in Ga. For greeting an individual, we say Mingabu. That means I greet you. Okay? So if you want to greet an individual or a colleague, you say Mingabu. But if you are greeting an elderly person, in our tradition, it's always advisable to use please before the word that you want to use for an elderly person. So if you want to greet an elderly person, you say please I greet you. So in Ga we say ofaine mingabo. Ofaine. So ofaine literally means please. Then when you greet the elderly person, he goes ahead to say te oyo ten. Te oyo ten. Then you respond Meye Ojogba. So after greeting Ofaine Mingabo to an elderly person, he then asks you, how are you? That is Te Oyo Ten. Then you respond Meye Ojogba. That is I am doing well or I am fine. So let me take it again. First of all, you greet Ofaine Mingabo. That is to an elderly person, and to a colleague you say Mingabo. You can choose not to use the please, which is not fine. Then the person you greeted will then respond Te Oyo Ten. Te Oyo Ten. Then you also respond to it as Meye Ojogba. Let me take it again for the last time. Ofaine Mingabo. That is you greeting an elderly person. Mingabo. That is greeting your colleague or your peer or your co-equal. Then the person asks, how are you? So how are you in Ga is Te Oyo Ten. Te Oyo Ten. Then you respond, I am fine or I'm doing well, which is in Ga we say Meye Ojogban. Meye Ojogban. I hope you now understand and you can say it. But please try and respond and say after me as I teach you. And also one thing I would like you to do is, if you could use your phone to record yourself in doing these greetings and respond and sending it to me, I'll be so much grateful. You can send it to me on my DM or my Instagram page, which I'll put it on the screen so that you can know my Instagram handle and send me. Now, if you want to greet a lot of people or you are greeting a group of people, you say minganye. That is, I greet you. That is, the you stand for like plural, second person plural. The you stand for the lot of people that you are greeting. So if you're greeting a lot of people, what you say is minganye. Minganye. And if you want to ask a group of people, how are you doing? In Ghana, we say tenye yo ten. Tenye yo ten. Tenye yo ten. That is, how are you? And if a group of people want to respond to a greeting, they say boye ojogbang. 2 or more people are greeting an elderly person and want to respond. The best to say is ofaine woye ojogbang. The wo stand for us, or we. It stand for us. That is the 2 or more people. So woye ojogbang. But one person you say miye ojogbang. I hope you guys understand. If you are greeting a lot of people, you say minganye. You respond minganye. That is, I greet you. And if it's a group of people that is responding to a greeting, they will say woye ojogba. Ofine woye ojogba. You hardly hear people greet ojeko, oshue, mina oko. Hardly do you hear people greet that in Ghana. They normally use minganye or minganye. Alo mingabo. Minganye is I greet you to a group of people or more than 2 people. And mingabo is I greet you. So basically, this is all that we have to learn for today. And I hope I didn't confuse you guys. I hope you've learned something and you can also share with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this is your first time coming on this platform. And also comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And also, I'll be so glad if you could suggest this video to someone. Share it with someone. Especially, I'm doing this for people that are in the diaspora who really want to learn the Ghanaian language, which is the Ghana language. And also, record yourself repeating or saying these lessons and send it to me via my email, which is in the description box below, or send it to me on my Instagram page. Until then, I see you on my next episode. My name has always been Nii Ayi, aka Ganyobi. Hola, bawo. Peace out.